It's 2024. Happy New Year. Out of all the topics we can start your year off with, there is only one that can help you the most as a homeowner, and that's homeowners insurance. Now, we have helped recover many homes that were lost due to fire damage. One home in particular was completely destroyed, and the conditions non-livable, and the cost of repairs came up to nearly $500,000. The homeowners paid off the house 2 years prior to the incident, and unfortunately, they didn't keep the homeowners insurance. So covering a job of this scale, they had to do it on their own. Now, obviously this is worst case scenario, but there are plenty of reasons why you should consider having your homeowners insurance. Maybe you want to mortgage your home, which requires homeowners insurance. Or in a situation that you're waiting for a repair, you have to worry about moving into a rental that's refurbished, replacing the contents of your home, and rebuilding the home, but all of those have to be out-of-pocket expenses. These, along with many more reasons, are why being covered is the safest option. So keep coverage on your home. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call, 951-303-1333. Thank you.